Join me as we unbox Deluxe Gas Stove SGS-6015-J. Let's evaluate its specs and assembles with you as you learn how to use. Comes enclosed in a box, and all the necessities you need to assemble it are as well enclosed in the same box. G grills, screws, stands and burner caps. It has 5 burners, all gas but different sizes. It has an aluminum body or stainless steel if you'd like, for easy cleaning and maintenance. Its trivets and tray are removable. It has an outstanding design, and it is the perfect elegance your kitchen needs. It has removable enamel pan support, iron with enamel finish on top surface. Comes with 4 stands and more than enough screws for convenient assembling. We installed one by one as demonstrated. All 4 of them, gently and steadily.
Yeah.
Then one by one you screw in the trays that are 2 in number. You install the burner's caps, and the outcomes is really beautiful. Not to forget, this deluxe gas stove is easily portable. It is designed for low gas consumption, even flame distribution and heat distribution. It has built-in safety ignition, wind guard and anti-leakage fitting. Has strong and quality grills that are enamel coated and can last you a lifetime. The first knob is for the first burner from right. The second knob is for the last knob of the right. The middle knob is for the middle burner. Second last knob is for the last burner from the left. The first knob from the left is for the first burner from the left.